In this course, you are going to learn not only why you should crowdfund, but how to do it. And we are going to take you step by step on how to crowdfund so effectively that you're going to raise exponentially more money on iFundWomen because you paid attention to this class than you would going it alone or using any other platform. I'm Khan, founder and CEO of iFundWomen, and I'm so glad you're here learning about crowdfunding because, sister, let me tell you, crowdfunding is the best way that you can raise money for your passion project, your small business, your side hustle, your startup, your nonprofit without going into debt. We basically spent 2 years building this proprietary methodology that you're about to see in this course and you're about to experience. And we're really excited about it. The results are incredible. The entrepreneurs who lean into the iFundWomen method raise exponentially more money for their campaigns than if they were to crowdfund on any other platform not using the method. So let's start with the basics. What is crowdfunding? Crowdfunding is when you, the entrepreneur, go out and raise small increments of money from lots of people that you know that add up to just enough money to get your project off the ground. Now you're probably thinking to yourself, my friends and family don't have any money. That is a very common feeling to have, and you are not alone. So what we do in this iFundWomen method program is we will map your network with you so that you can know ahead of time how much your network can yield, and you know if there's a gap between what your network can yield and what you need to raise to get your project off the ground. And we're going to give you tactics and tools and tips and tricks to build your network up to fill that gap so you can get the funding that you need. So crowdfunding is definitely a lot of work, but if you prepare, if you use this course, if you stick to the method, you check things off the list, you, my friend, can do it. So we're so excited. You're gonna meet the rest of the team throughout the course, and we're gonna teach you how it's done, so join us.
iFundWomen is disrupting and completely changing the way early stage startups founded by women are getting funded.
We are raising funds on iFundWomen to bring Maya to market.
To grow the outdoor ninja community.
To bring healthy superfoods to the Boston area.
To build a V1 experience of the app.
To complete the first production run of my line.
We need our first 100 users for this beta test to build our first immediate, lower cost option for families displaced from house fires.
I'm building it.
iFundWomen has given me so many tools to be able to successfully do my crowdfunding, and crowdfunding is absolutely important to me being able to make Stroll Runner a reality and bring it to market.
The iFundWomen team have been really instrumental in navigating the challenges of crowdfunding.
We also really like their pay it forward business model.
I love the idea of having the support of many other women entrepreneurs that are doing the same thing as me, which is trying to change the world with their ideas.
This is my way of putting my stamp on the world.
And I don't think that I could have done it without them.
So join our tribe and keep hustling.
I'll see you there.